What if I told you that some of your body's cells are practically begging to die, but they're refusing, and that's shortening your lifespan? Imagine being able to hit the reset button on your body's aging process. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, today, we're diving into the amazing world of Senolytics. Drugs that clear out these stubborn zombie cells and might just unlock the secret to longer, healthier lives. Aging is a universal truth, but what if the process isn't as inevitable as we thought? Science is now revealing ways to not just slow down aging, but actually reverse some of its effects at the cellular level. One of the most exciting frontiers in longevity research is the study of senolytics, a class of drugs designed to target and eliminate senescent cells, often called zombie cells. These cells no longer function properly but refuse to die, causing inflammation and damage that contribute to aging and age-related diseases like arthritis, heart problems, and cognitive decline. By clearing them out, Senolytics could help our bodies heal and rejuvenate themselves, potentially extending lifespan and improving health span, the years we live free from serious illness. Think about it. What if staying healthier and more vibrant well into old age was as simple as spring cleaning your cells? Aging is a universal truth. But what if the process isn't as inevitable as we thought? Let's start with the basics. What exactly are senescent cells? Imagine a factory line producing widgets. Sometimes the machinery breaks down. Instead of shutting off and getting repaired or replaced, this faulty machine keeps running but makes defective widgets while gumming up the works. In our bodies, senescent cells are like that broken machine. They've lost the ability to divide and function correctly but don't die off as they should. Instead, they hang around, releasing harmful chemicals called pro-inflammatory factors. These chemicals are like a stink bomb, causing nearby healthy cells to malfunction and speeding up the aging process. The more of these cells accumulate, the more damage they cause, creating a vicious cycle of aging. So if these zombie cells cause so many problems, what if we could selectively remove them? That's exactly what Senolytics do. They act like cellular cleanup crews, identifying and removing senescent cells without harming the healthy ones. Here's how it works. Senescent cells resist natural cell death, a process called apoptosis, by activating survival pathways to hide from our body's cleanup systems. Senolytic drugs target these survival pathways, forcing the senescent cells to self-destruct safely. Think of it as sending a specialized, well-trained team into a city to remove broken-down cars blocking traffic, without disturbing the running vehicles. By clearing out the zombie cells, the surrounding tissue can function better, reducing inflammation and improving regeneration. Early studies in mice showed remarkable results. Treated animals lived longer, with improved heart function, better stamina, and even improved cognition in some cases. Human trials are underway, and the results so far are promising. Senolytics hold incredible promise, but like all emerging science, there are challenges to overcome. One major hurdle is specificity, making sure these drugs only target senescent cells without damaging healthy cells, which could have serious side effects. Another challenge is timing and dosage. We don't want to wipe out too many cells at once, as some senescent cells help with wound healing and other protective roles. Think of it like grandma's antique vase collection. Some pieces may look a bit fragile, but are actually quite valuable. Researchers are also exploring natural compounds like quercetin, fisetin, and dasatinib, already FDA approved for other uses, that show senolytic properties. Clinical trials testing these substances aim to find safe, effective ways to translate this science from animals to humans. Beyond senolytics, cellular rejuvenation combines with strategies like enhancing stem cell function, repairing DNA damage, and improving mitochondrial health. Together, these approaches might one day extend not just how long we live, but how well we live. Senolytics hold incredible promise, but like all emerging science, there are challenges to overcome. Okay, so what does all this mean for you and me right now? Well, the field of senolytics is still young, and while the idea of popping a pill to reverse aging is tempting, it's not quite ready for prime time yet. Still, ongoing research suggests that incorporating healthy lifestyle choices like regular exercise, a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, stress management, and adequate sleep can reduce the buildup of senescent cells naturally. Some natural supplements with mild senolytic effects like fisetin found in strawberries or quercetin in apples and onions are available, but their effectiveness in humans at current doses is still under study. In the future, we could see personalized senolytic therapies that target your unique cellular profile to keep your body youthful and resilient. Until then, The best thing we can do is stay curious, support scientific research, and take care of our bodies with what we already know. Longevity science is unlocking doors we never thought possible. Senolytics might just be the key to sweeping away the cellular clutter that drags us down as we age. What excites you most about the possibility of cellular rejuvenation? Do you think we'll see practical senolytic treatments in the next decade? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into aging, senolytics, and the future of longevity, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating, mind-expanding content on science and well-being. And don't forget to check out our video on the CRISPR revolution, because the journey to a longer, healthier life is just getting started. Thanks for watching, and here's to unlocking the secrets of longevity together.